In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the gear icon at the top of it. Then select theme and apply any of those by clicking on the best one. Then manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. Hit apply and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!